Hello guys, in this video we will see solution for this error, that is utility file not found. Please correct the binary path in the preferences dialog. Right click on this database and try to click on backup. See how this utility file not found. Please correct the binary path in the preferences dialog. Click on OK, then go to file, then click on preferences. Now scroll down from the left menu, scroll down, path section, click on this binary paths. Then click on this browse program files, not x86. Then PostgreSQL, then select the version, select binary folder. Then click on OK. This is for if you install EDB advanced server, but my server is PostgreSQL community edition. So select folder for respective versions. For mine is 15, so I am selecting the path for 15. Suppose if you install 12, you have to click on here, that is 12. Click on folders, go to C, then program files, PostgreSQL 15, select the bin. Like this we have to navigate. Also here we have to select this set as default. If this is up means we have set default option. Then click on save. Now right click and try to click on this create or any option. See that error gone. So we have to provide the option. So in this video we have seen solution for utility file not found. Then we have set the binary path in the pgadmin preferences options. For more PostgreSQL errors or pgadmin errors or pgadmin or PostgreSQL server tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.